In the previous part, we saw how Arav received a difficult diagnosis, ulcerative colitis. The medical report confirmed what he already felt. As he learned, ulcerative colitis is a chronic condition where the inner lining of the colon becomes red and swollen, leading to painful inflammation. Faced with this reality, Arav was determined to find answers. He spent hours researching, looking for more than just medication, and he started noticing a pattern. It wasn't just about the pills. People weren't healing with only medicine. They were getting healed with better sleep, gentle antimicrobials, food changes, stress reduction, and lining repair. He visited an Ayurveda gastro specialist. The doctor explained that inflammation had come down, but bacteria, mucus layer, colon lining, all of this was still weak. That's why Arav had those bad days. Then Arav heard something he never expected. Sleep makes the biggest difference. The mucus layer rebuilt during sleep. When sleep breaks, repair stops. That's why many UC patients with poor sleep never improve, even with the best medicines. For the first time, Arav felt hope. Healing wasn't only in pills, it was in routine. He decided to make changes. No screens after dinner. Early sleep, morning sunlight, evening walks, soothing food. Daily. Slowly, his body changed. Cramps reduced, urgency reduced, energy returned. He woke up without fear. But then he learned a hidden truth. Many UC flares start with an infection, bad street food, a stomach bug, untreated bacteria, sometimes stress. The flare wasn't random. It had a trigger. The doctor explained two paths. First, mild antimicrobials, gentle cleaners that reduced harmful bacteria without harming the good ones. They reduced toxins and they supported lining repair. Second, strong antibiotics, powerful, fast, but very capable of disturbing all the good bacteria as well. Supposed to be used only when infections are very, very severe. For mild symptoms, he went gentle. This wasn't war, it was supposed to be balance. Within a week, his motions reduced, cramps faded, and stool started forming much better. Most importantly, he stopped living like a prisoner in the bathroom. He started traveling, working, meeting friends. He was beginning to feel normal again. For the first time, he felt like he had his life under control. But one fear remained. What if it comes back? Because every UC patient he knew told him, remission is peace, but a flare can come at any time. One stressful week, one missed deadline, one late night, one skip meal, too much coffee, and it starts. With loose stool, then a little blood, then cramps. Arav keeps thinking, I'm improving, why again? The doctor reminded him, UC flares happen, but panic makes them worse. Stress isn't imaginary, stress is a chemical. When you stress, the mind panics and the colon hears it. And so he built a specific flare protocol for Arav. Whenever the flare happens, move to soft food, warm meals, drink a lot of water, no spice or oil, sleep even earlier, take gentle walks, no coffee, get back to the mild antimicrobials, and regular deep breathing. The doctor reminded Arav, you can't fight a flare. You can only guide your body out of it. One evening, his wife was asking what he was thinking. Arav said, earlier I was fighting, you see. Now I'm working with my body. This disease isn't a punishment. It's feedback. The body isn't angry or broken. It's just asking for help. He added meditation, music, journaling, sunlight, and slow breathing into his routine. When his mind calmed, his colon calmed. Day by day, the flares faded. Day by day, he started feeling under control.